Hey guys, we're in Paris. So Miku's here. Miku, look here. So guys, this is our second day in Paris. We were really tired yesterday. We had to carry a lot of stuff. You know how hard it is with a toddler. So today I'm gonna start filming. Mikael, can I have that fork please? Can I have a fork? He's gonna drop it, sir. I'll take it.
Bounce, 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 bounce.
Egg.
That's not right. Guys, I just wanted to show you the view. It's so beautiful. He's here. So anyways guys, back to me. We just had our breakfast. That went okay. I didn't have much because I'm not that hungry, but we are heading towards like the main sites today in Paris. I'm not gonna say the names because I'm really bad at like the pronunciation and whatnot, but yeah, I'm gonna be like taping everything as I go. So guys, wait, it's gonna be nice. Let's wait and see, I guess. I don't know. So guys, make sure to keep watching the video if you guys want to see where we're headed. So exciting. So guys, for those like asking me about this hat, I think I got it about like over a year ago, and I've been wanting to wear this ever since then because I'm gonna save this for Paris because it's such a like it's such a cheap hat to wear. I forgot what it's called, but guys, again, I got it over a year ago. It was from Target, I think. So they usually get them every winter, so you just can check it out over there. And now we're gonna go ahead and do some shopping. I'm not gonna shop a lot because, you know, all the brands I'm looking for, they already have them back in North America, but I'm still gonna check out some new stuff here. It's kind of busy at this time. It's so busy, and it was busy last night too. I'm assuming it's this busy all the time. So guys, we're actually at getting some ice cream while Miku is asleep, so I'm gonna turn the camera around right now. So he's asleep. We're just going through our map to where we have to go, so we have a bunch of things lined up. I feel like we're so North American. We're looking for big space everywhere because we have a big stroller and we're carrying a lot of stuff, and everywhere we go we have like these small tables everywhere we sit, and we have to like squeeze everything in. But I guess that's just us, right? I guess we're not used to Europe. But it's amazing to know how I guess small everything is and how everyone just like lives in it, you know. I guess I'm so used to the big space that when I see something small I'm like, oh, I can't live here. But when I see all these people doing it, I'm like, why can't I, you know? Hey guys, I'm back. It's about 6 p.m. here. We just came across all the sites. We didn't actually go to the museum because we couldn't take some of the stuff because we were carrying just a lot of stuff, but we went to a lot of historical sites. I can just like turn the camera on and show you because it's so beautiful out here. There's so much to see here, but there's so many names, so I'm not really good at remembering stuff, so that's what it is. But I'm gonna turn the camera around. There's him, and then you know, look at the site. It's endless. It just never ends. There's so much to see here, guys. Mikael, look here. Look here. Look here, Mikael. Guys, so it's 9 p.m. and the sunset is actually at 10 p.m. which is like amazing. We have like so much time to like see so much more, so we're heading out again because we're gonna go see Eiffel Tower. So guys, it's day 3 here in Paris. We didn't cover much on day 1, as I mentioned, because we were we got here late, but third day in Paris and we're going to Eiffel Tower. We went out, didn't do much shopping, but I did get this little pretty headboard from Zara. Pretty cute. And now I'm wearing it with this really nice dress. I have some pictures coming up, so I'm excited. And there's Mikhail, my husband, and we're just having a nice time. It's like around 8:30 at the moment. I didn't want to show you this view. It's so beautiful. I'm just gonna turn the camera around just so you guys can see everything. I mean, I guess, okay, right here. So guys, the view is so beautiful. I can turn the camera around, but it just doesn't justify how good everything looks. Like the greenery, the roads, everything is just completely beautiful. So guys, we're getting closer to the Eiffel Tower. If I just turn myself around, they have this here. I'm gonna come back to this. They have some shops here, and we're gonna go. Hey guys, we're back with another video. I was offline yesterday because we were traveling for like 6 hours. We took a 6-hour train from Paris to Nice. Now we're here at Monaco City. So we're in Monte Carlo at the moment, and we're just taking a little break because he doesn't wanna look at him. He hates being in the stroller. He hates it so much. I can't even explain it at the moment. So I'm just gonna let him loose, let him crawl a little because he's enjoying it at the moment. So that's with that. We're just taking some photos, I guess, and I don't think we're gonna go into the casino, I guess. But we're gonna have a nice dinner. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk around and just show you the view because it's beautiful. Like, I can't even begin to explain. The video doesn't do justice to how beautiful the city is. So let me go ahead and just give you like a really good, nice view here. Guys, at the moment I'm walking towards this really nice view, so I'm gonna turn myself around just so you guys can see this. Right here, can you guys see the place up there, like the houses and everything? It's just like, I can't even explain it. It's so beautiful, guys. Something new he learned like a day ago. Can you not touch my stuff? He wants to pour everything into his mouth. Everything. Oh my god, what are you doing? Somebody look! He's swinging onto the table. Wow! Wow, look at you standing! Okay, I don't think he wants to stand anymore. Guys, look at this. So delicious. And this is how we keep him occupied for the time being. Because he'll never ever let us eat. Right, Mikhail? Hey guys, welcome back to my next segment of this video. This is the third day in Nice today, and I'm really feeling the weather today. It's pretty hot. Maybe because it's like 2 p.m. It's just like early afternoon, and it's a little too much at the moment, but I don't think I'm used to it. I think I'm more used to the colder weather, considering I've been there for like the last 20 years or so. But I don't think summer's for me. I don't know, we'll see. But guys, we have a lot going on today, so stay tuned. Mikhail's like he's sleeping at the moment. I'll move the camera towards him for a sec. Hold on. So right here. He's sleeping. I don't want to bother him too much. This is nap time, and that's the only time I actually get to make videos, because when he's awake I can't get anything done. Holy, so much work. Anyways, stay tuned while I go out and eat and shop some more, and we'll go to the beach today. That's what we're thinking. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. Ignore my eyeliner. It looks like a mess right now. I still haven't taken off my makeup. It's 1 in the morning and we're leaving at 8:30 in the morning for London. Oh god, I gotta fix the camera here, but my eyes look so hideous. I'm gonna move the camera away, but I just wanted to show you where I was staying. I did do Airbnb. Such a comfortable apartment. It was so much more spacious than the hotel room we had in Paris. Literally, it was like the smallest room we experienced our whole life, and it was really uncomfortable because of Mikhail, because we have a kid and it just became a little inconvenient for us. If we didn't have Mikhail, I think we would have done good, but I think we needed more space because of him. But this is wonderful. Like, I love Airbnb. This was my first time experience with Airbnb, and they turned out really great. The owner was really nice. She walked us through everything, and she literally had like everything ready for us, like toiletries, and she literally had a drawer of, like, I guess spoons, utensils, whatever you need, you know, for the kitchen area, pots, pans, and we ended up cooking dinner tonight. So, you know, gotta fix this, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know why it's moving like this, but I gotta fix it anyways. So I'm just gonna quickly like walk you through everything, so bear with me as I do that. Plus I just want to move the camera away from my face because I look so bad. The eyeliner is like everywhere at the moment. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start making the video. The washroom's open at the moment. Our toiletries are there, so I'm gonna move away from the washroom and go straight to our main rooms. So as I walk down, I mean, Sarma's sitting outside in the balcony. It's a really nice view. The air is really nice, and the owner was so nice that to give us this, I'm not sure what this is called, but this is for like babies. And Mikhail's in here. Mikhail, it's his sleep time, so I'm trying to put him to sleep. Again, ignore the mess, guys, but we had a really comfortable bed. We have him here, so we don't have to worry about that. And then if I walk out, we have this sofa which turns into a bed, which we didn't need, but I mean, that's also there as well. So I'm also packing everything here because we're leaving in the morning. And Summer's right there. This is the kitchen area. Literally, they have everything here: fridge, microwave, oven. They even have a dishwasher here, and everything is just so comfortable to use, right? I'm just gonna go straight outside. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is actually the sea view. It's so pretty. I'm actually gonna take you guys outside. Guys, I just came outside to the balcony. It's a small balcony, but like really convenient. I love the balcony, and this is actually the sea view there. This is actually the sea. This whole thing is a sea, and like look at the tropical trees and everything. So nice, guys. I love the breeze that we get from the sea here. It's so amazing. And you know, everything just looks amazing. You can really go out at night, you know. But the thing is, everything in Nice closes at like 8, 9, like when it comes to shops and stuff, even the restaurants. And someone's playing a video, so guys, please ignore that. But again, amazing view, guys. So guys, again, that was a really quick video. I just wanted to show you our experience with Airbnb. It's amazing. Like, it's so much better than the hotels, and I never thought I would say this because I'm more of a hotel person, but given that we have a kid, I do think that we need more space, and sometimes we need to use like some utensils, sometimes we need to, like, you know, use microwave and whatnot, and this just works perfectly for us. I'm sorry guys, I'm still working with this camera here. I still have to work with the tripod. It keeps moving. But again, if you guys have a family, if you guys have kids, so I would definitely recommend Airbnb. So, and I'm gonna bring the phone, like the camera down, because look at him, guys. I'm gonna turn the video around. Look, it's Miku. Miku, are you sleepy? He's putting the pacifier on. He's so sleepy. Oh my baby. Okay, I'm gonna go. Guys, I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna give him like a shoulder pat so he can fall asleep faster. And yeah, and I'm gonna see you guys when I am in London. Excited. Anyways guys, see you later. Hey guys, so we landed in London yesterday night. It was a long commute. Guys, we're in London. So guys, we reached like yesterday night. We had a long commute. We took a train from Nice to Paris, and then we took another train from Paris to London. So it was really hectic because we were with a kid and then he kept crying in between, but then we made it. So we're having a really nice day today because we got our Airbnb in like the midst of downtown here. So we're literally like 2 minutes walk away from like Hyde Park, which is where we are right now. And we had this really nice cafe experience as well because we had this English breakfast, which I haven't had for like 2.5 years. I love the beans in that breakfast. I can never find it in Canada. I don't know why, but I'm just like obsessed with that. So we're not doing anything too much today. We are going shopping, I guess. We're just gonna look around. We're gonna go to Oxford Street and whatnot. Maybe on Monday or Tuesday we'll just go at places because we've already seen most of them, but I guess we just want to see the places that we haven't seen. So guys, stay tuned while I take you guys there. Bye guys. Meanwhile, I want to show you Miku, who is, I don't know what he's feeling. Just look at him. Mikhail. I swear to God, he's like 1 year old, and we literally took him like through France and UK now, and he has no idea what's going on. He's not even gonna remember any of this, but if you show him the videos, he may remember something. So guys, we are at the Science Museum today. We thought we'd come and explore some of the things here. It's pretty cool. Nicole's too small for this, but he's still here, just like, I don't know, doing his own thing. But I guess when he's older, he'll be able to understand it better. But check him out here. So guys, we put him back in the stroller and he's crying because he hates being in the stroller. He hates it so much. He's like, get me out. Anyways, we're heading to the National History Museum now, if I'm not wrong, because this is more of like, I guess, this is more of like astronauts, cars, I guess electronics, that type of museum. But the other one has like, it's like natural museum, so they'll have like dinosaurs and stuff there. So let's go ahead and check it out. Pearl. Wow. So we're headed up there. Let's see what it is. Wow, so cool, guys. Dinosaur! He's not scared. Are you scared?